In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with checklists in Microsoft OneNote. If you want to stay organized, track your tasks, or manage projects all in one place, using checklists in OneNote is a simple and effective solution. Whether it's for planning your day, tracking assignments, or even managing shopping lists, checklists give you a clear visual way to stay on top of your tasks. To get started, open the OneNote page where you want your checklist. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon, and you'll see a button called To-Do tag, which looks like a small checkbox. Click that button, and then start typing your first task. When you press Enter, OneNote automatically creates a new line with another checkbox, making it easy to continue building your list. You can also select existing lines of text and click the To-Do tag button to turn them into a checklist quickly, which is handy if you've already typed your tasks. Checking off items is just as easy. Simply click the checkbox next to a task to mark it as complete. OneNote will place a check mark in the box, giving you a visual confirmation that the task is done. If you ever need to undo it, just click the checkbox again, and it will return to an unchecked state. This allows you to track progress in a clear and flexible way. Organizing your checklist is also straightforward. You can create subtasks by indenting items using the Tab key, which is perfect for breaking larger tasks into smaller steps. You can also drag items up or down to change their order, keeping your checklist structured exactly how you need it. For added clarity, you can apply formatting like bold or colored text to highlight important tasks or deadlines. To get the most out of OneNote checklists, consider using them for recurring tasks by copying and pasting your list to a new page or section. Pairing checklists with page templates can help you maintain consistent daily or weekly planning. And if you're collaborating with others, any updates you make to your checklist in a shared notebook will sync automatically, allowing everyone to see what's completed and what still needs attention. By incorporating checklists into your OneNote workflow, you'll have a simple yet powerful way to manage tasks, track progress, and stay organized. They're flexible, visual, and fully integrated into your notes, which makes them an essential tool for productivity. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell